East Oak. They make a durable, strong 60-gallon storage container. Transportable. It is fade proof, waterproof, water resistant, fade resistant, and comes in 3 colors. Check online for further detail. Brown, black, and gray. They also come in different sizes. This is the standard 60-gallon size. It has a lock, a slider, a reinforced bar in the front only. So as we open up, it has 3 hinges, reinforcement all over throughout the whole system, and on the floor, no drain holes. A close-up look at the container storage unit with the East Oak logo located on the bottom and the brick wood-like design. You have the locking mechanism and slider. Simply open up and the interior placing on the unit is simple to build by following the very easy steps of putting A, B, and C together and simply taking the cover and aligning it up over the holes, laying it down like so, and just giving a gentle snap and you're installed just like that. I apologize for the lighting conditions when building. East Oak makes a storage cover, 60-gallon type, and they come in gray, black, and brown. And what we're going to do is unbox, show you how nicely they are packed and what you can store inside. Waterproof and fade proof, protected by cardboard, the corners, and foam and styrofoam. As we take out of the box, how they are nicely wrapped. We have instructions to go over on how to set up. Easy assembly. A construction type brick layer design. Flexible with reinforced strength bars going across for added support. Please remember to pull off all foam out of the corners as we take everything out and off of the foam inserts. With an option to lock the unit and the East Oak logo and the bottom base and the top cover with the lock sliding tab. We have all the parts blown out and laid out for assembly. As we grab the bottom with the arrow facing to the end and the plastic resin side, known as A, facing up, they snap into this area here and lock into place. If you take note, they go into a notch area, and if you make a mistake, simply grab and secure out, pull out firmly. They will snap out, and they snap in very easily. We're then going to take the other A and assemble. Repeat for the same side on the opposite end the same way. Grab, align, and snap in. We have a front, a back, and a top to do. C facing up, match up to the 6 holes, 2 in the center are empty, and the 3 or 4 on each side. They are going to snap in with the foot to one side as support, snap on and hold, and repeat for the opposite way. The same way, hold, firmly press in, and give some taps. You may lift up, rotate around, and press in. And you hear them snap into place. Finishing off the front, it's lifting up and you have a secure bar for reinforcement that you're going to place in and snap into place to complete. Work one side and the bottom in. To the side and press. The last piece is the top that we're going to assemble by lifting up and into the areas over here. Place in over. A firm press locks into place. Once pushed down on the top, you are now completed. It stays open. It is strong enough that 2 people can fit on the unit and withstand the weight. A 60-gallon storage container that you could put hoses, gardening, dirt, soil, anything imaginable that needs to be protected by the weather outside. You have a locking mechanism. You simply slide it to one area, slide it locked, put a lock on here to prevent from opening. Lift up, place your items in, strong enough you can stand on. We have pots we could place inside for storage. And close on up. But before closing, I have some stringer lights I want to put away and protect. It could hold just about anything imaginable. Handles are on the side so you can lift your heavy items. Place in an area of interest just to show you that we have some stuff inside, and take out. East oak. Put your propane. Store it. Cover. Holds just about anything imaginable. It's strong enough for 2 people, 300 pounds to sit on. It's got the reinforcement bar in the front, the lock handle. Put ornaments on top. Give a little design to your storage container. It looks like a brick design, weatherproof, fade-proof, and more. I hope you enjoy your East Oak 60-gallon storage container to put just about anything imaginable in.